Welcome to another episode of our Windows Registry Hacks video series. Today we will be discussing how to disable the lock screen on your Windows 10 computer. The lock screen can be a frustrating barrier between you and your desktop, especially if you are the only user of your computer. With this easy to follow tutorial, you can bypass the lock screen and get straight to your desktop in no time. So let's get started. So first I am going to show you how you can lock your screen. By press Windows plus L on keyboard, your keyboard will be locked. See? Okay. Now I am going to disable the lock screen. For that, first we need to open the Registry Editor. To do this, press the Windows plus R on keyboard and here you have to type regedit and press on OK. Now you have to navigate to the personalization key in the Registry Editor. So once the Registry Editor page will open, so in the left hand side you have to locate 𝗏key local machine. Okay, you need to expand this. Under this you have to go to the software. Under software you have to expand policies. Under policy you will find Microsoft. And under Microsoft you have to expand the Windows. And now you have to locate the personalization. So here I don't have any personalization key. If the personalization key does not exist, you can create it by right click on the Windows and you have to click on new key and you have to name the key personalization. Okay. So now you need to create the new _value value under personalization. So for that you have to just right click on personalization and here you have to go to the new and new _32-bit value. Okay, so now you have to name this value. Okay, I am going to name it no lock screen. So you have to follow the same format while typing. So don't worry, I will give it to the description below so that you can copy from there and accordingly you can paste it. Okay. After that you have to just double click on no lock screen and you need to change the value data to 0 to 1. Okay. And press on OK. Now you need to close the Registry Editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So this is a quick and easy way to disable the lock screen on your Windows 10 computer using the Registry Editor. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows Registry hacks and tips. Thanks for watching.